Neo-Swedenborgian Food Network welcomes you. So I'm going to show you how to make a very rich cup of coffee, and that is that you start by heating up the milk, and this is going to be a triple Treetarian cup of coffee. I am a cubic Treetarian, which means I eat tree foods in cubic form. Chocolate is a tree. Did you know that? Cubic Treetarians like chocolate. That's one tree. Oops. Cinnamon is a tree. Did you know that? Hey. Maple syrup, of course, comes from maple trees. That's a tree. So that's triple Treetarian. That's 3 trees in one. Beverage. But wait, it gets better. Instant coffee. You could use also a shot of espresso if you have an espresso maker. Instant coffee. Simmer, let it simmer till all the coffee dissolves. Depending on what you're using, if you're using soy milk or oat milk, you can let it boil. But if you're using 2% milk, you don't want to let that boil. Anyway, what do we got? 2 minutes. Is it dissolved? It's pretty good. Triple tree coffee. In a cube. Cubic Treetarianism. Tree foods in cubic form. Thanks. See ya. Oh my.